Namaste everyone, this is TheYogAshu here. This is a quick tutorial on how to do Adhomukhaswanasana, and today I have TheYogAshu with me who's going to help me in this video. So sit in Vajrasana first. Now press the both palms down in front of you by spreading the fingers and pressing the mouth of your palm strongly on the mat. Now lift your knees up. Now let's correct this posture that will give you proper benefit of this pose. First, lift yourself from your shoulders, that will decrease the weight from your arms. And then pull yourself up from your tailbone to give a nice extension to your spine. As before, spread your fingers properly. Now let's correct the feet as they are the second base of your body right now. That's how you are distributing the weight to your palms and your feet equally, and you are lengthening your spine very well. And if you are someone who is not able to touch the heels down, then you better lift your heels up for the starts. And rest of the things same as before. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. Please give it a like if you find this useful and subscribe to the channel.